Hi there, this video is from next week's extremely northern blocking weather forecast UK 21. Like this video and there's music, please hit thumbs up. Let's get on this weather forecast today. So my local weather data we're looking at today, guys, because working town locally is what the weather data is. Basically, blue is the rainfall, temperatures the red colour. We call the morning temperatures because working town locally. So you can see here, guys, from about rainfall being a lot wetter this year, 2021 September, and a lot warmer September compared to last year, September 2020. We can look here, guys, working town locally. You can look here, guys. You see, it was a lot cooler September morning temperatures, and it was actually a lot drier September compared to September this year, which was wetter. That's at least fascinating, isn't it? And we've got the rainfall for the last, you name it, guys. Well, obviously the last 21 years. So across, so you see here, guys, September-wise, 40, 21. We had a really wet September. It's not since 2019, 79 minutes of rain. Or we further back than that, even wetter, 86 minutes of rain, 2016. So it's actually fascinating, yeah, the weather across working town locally. That's that. This is the upper sea temperature, global sea temperature looking today. Place interest on the west coast of Africa. Off the west coast of South America, sorry about that. And you talk about the equatorial Pacific region, and you talk about a very strong La Nina, especially on the western part, but weaker on the eastern part. So it's a weak La Nina, but it's more sort of a western equatorial Pacific region. North Pacific Ocean, we're interested today in the North Atlantic, global system, we're interested today, west coast of Africa, we're interested today in the Gulf of Mexico. We're interested today to see what's going on. Fascinating. So yeah, as we were talking about the equatorial Pacific region, it looks like the eastern part is a little bit warmer, more enso-neutral. The western part is more La Nina, weak La Nina. The North Pacific Oceans are getting cooler, especially in the eastern part up here, and it's warmer in the west. And the North Atlantic Ocean is getting pretty warm, pretty hot into the future. Slightly cool down here, but it's staying quite much the same. So it's quite warm because the North Atlantic. And there's still a chance of more hurricanes, especially around the Gulf of Mexico. And look at that area there. So there might be hurricanes around there in the next 2 to 3 weeks this month. That's it, isn't it? This is the 6 GFS model for the future, guys. So about southwesterly winds, low pressure is coming in there on the 20th of October. Quite wet weather, quite stormy wet weather, especially across Northern Ireland or the Republic of Ireland. Right, we're going from now to about winds coming from the, name it, guys, the southwesterly winds there, quite cool. Then we get northeasterly winds there, or northeasterly, and then northwesterly winds on the 11th of October, northwesterly winds, high pressure, quite dry weather on the 12th to 13th of anticyclonic high pressure over the UK. 1030 bars. It's quite dry, cool, sort of northwesterly wind, southwesterly wind there, southwesterly wind, and you know, guys, low pressure starts coming from the Atlantic. We have got a lot of northern blocking over Greenland. You can see the high pressure is quite high out there, 1040. And we have got high pressure over at Scandinavia, so we've got a lot of northern blocking to come for the next week or so. Towards the end of October, it does get weakened. It does weaken off slightly, so that's the 60th. This is the upper air temperature for working town locally. Red line's the 30-year average line. White line's where the temperature's going. You can see it's going up above the average around about the 11th of October. Then it's going below it around about the, the 20th of October, and it goes back up. It's fluctuating up and down, guys. It's very high, flexible, very changeable. And talk about some rainfall in the future. We had quite a lot of rain yesterday, or on the 5th of October this morning. Talking about, this was working town locally today. And talk about a lot of showers in the future around about the, guys, the 18th to 20th of October, of course, working town locally. This is the weather forecast working. Talk about a westerly wind there. Of 12 miles per hour. That's nice weather. So tomorrow's going to be high 16 Celsius. It's quite cool now. It's getting towards the middle part of autumn. Westerly wind there. You see what's going on in the future, guys. Of course, working town locally. It's changeable. And you name it, guys. You can see it's highs 18, 16, 17, 16. The average is about 16 Celsius in October. And this is the Arctic oscillation, guys. Yeah, the Arctic oscillation. And when the red line's going down there, that's going negative. That means you've got a lot of northern blocking to the northwest of the UK over Greenland or over Scandinavia, which is more than likely. But it does start to go slightly up since the line going in the future. This is the Arctic oscillation. And then this is the North Atlantic oscillation. It's going quite negative. It does slightly go up. So it looks like there might be some lessening of the northern blocking when we get to November, maybe. And these are the floods across the UK. So about 3 flood warnings at the moment, guys. And 50 flood alerts, and the upper river range and flood alerts. So like this video, please have fun. You subscribe to them. You have been warned by the environment for floods across the UK. Many needs and many out in the news. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.